these again. He's got one sitting on the fence. Let me see if I can get him. Oh, shit. Kingfisher. Kind of hard to get at this angle. I'm recording, yeah. Where'd he go? You get every flower, dude. There's one sitting on the fence, waiting on him. Come on, man, show yourself. How quick he is, man. I've been working and working to do this. I put my work in, trust me, to try to be fast enough to get this guy. And man, see, he'll sit there. He'll sit still in that flower. Awesome. There's like a whole pack of them. He sits still too. So they're comfortable in my garden here with these gladiolas. Try not to keep them. Try not to, try to keep them short here for y'all. I know time's money for people, but I'm hoping. Yeah, sit right there, buddy. Let's see if I can get him. Where's he at? The little dog, he's gray, but there you go. I mean, he's... Where you at, dude? Come on, man, sit up there. They end up fighting. Watch. Oh, yeah, it's a fight. I've seen 3 of them now. Now one's sitting on the fence. Whew, that was awesome. Hummingbird scrap. Alright, let me see. Ooh. God, they're fighting like mad. My air conditioner vent's freezing me out here. Oh, they're sitting on the fence. Check that out. They must be family. They're fighting. They just took off. It's crazy. Back on the fence. And they're scrapping. Oh, they're on the grass fighting. What? Hold on a second, people. What? Man, they're fighting like people. They're on the grass fighting. Here they come. There's one on the fence. Trying to get my neighbor's crib over there. Oh, they're fighting, man. I mean, they're scrapping over these flowers. I'm back on the fence here. Let me adjust my stuff here. Let's get where we can get. Oh. A new bird. Oh. A new bird. Oh, man, they're going off today. Oh, I got one of my finches. I just seen him on my sunflower and I run him off. Wave my hand. I don't want him on my sunflowers in the front garden. Man, there's some action this morning. Where you going, man? There's some actions this morning. Oh, he's over there on the zinnias. Kind of blurry, sorry. That's who's tearing my zinnias up. Come over here, man. Where'd he go? Man, they're just like, oh, he's sitting on the branch here. Back on the zinnia. It's up on the fence. Good grief, guys. Alright, it's been interesting things. Now he's on my sunflower here. I mean, they're all over the place here, fighting, and I hope I got that little scrap. I'm gonna try to get out here and get in the yard and set the camera up, put some camo on, and try to disguise myself today. So I might want to do it tomorrow because it's kind of rainy today. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy. It's been off and on raining. Let me see if I can get him before I have to film my wagon. Oh, he's sitting on the white one, man. Come over here, dude. Come over here, guys. I'll finish it off with this. If I can get him here. Where are you? Oh, he's up on... Oh, I want to film that, but... My canna lilies. Okay, come over here to the orange one, man, for me. Come over here. There's another one. They're fixing to fight again. Come here, man. Get over here. Alrighty then. Interesting things. And God, look at them sunflowers. One more time. There's that one right here on the left. That's in my little garden. But these guys out here are like immense. If I can get clear, sun's trying to peek out. I mean, they just... Guys going postal down here. They're tearing my zinnias up. Just own them, boy. I think they like the zinnias more than anything. And the lilies, of course. Where you at, dude? It's on the branch down there. Just tearing them zinnias up. Alright. Interesting things. Where's he at? They just sit here. Let's see if I can pan them and get it clear. They're just everywhere. He's waiting for another one to come mess with his flowers. Down here. Let me see, he's fixing to get some flowers. Alrighty then. Up on the sunflowers. Ooh. God, man, I want to get him right there. He's just sitting on the fence on the side of the... Okie doke. It's been interesting things. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. Peace out.